This is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add strikethrough, subscript and superscript text in your WordPress blog. Firstly, I will show how you can do this on Gutenberg blog editor. After that, I will show for the classic editor. Okay, start. Right now I am on my website dashboard. I am going to all post section. I am going to open this test post firstly in Gutenberg blog editor. So already I have written this sentence will be strike through, this sentence subscript, and this sentence will be superscript. How I can do this? Firstly, which sentence or which word or which paragraph, whatever you want to make strike through, just select that part, and top of the selection you will find a arrow icon, more. This one I am talking about, this one. So click on that more, and below you search the name strike through and you will find it. Click there and your sentence or selected part will be strike through. Now how you can make subscript? Just select that part which one you want to make subscript. Again click on more and find subscript here. Just click, it will be subscript. And if you want to make superscript, again select, again the arrow icon and click on superscript, it will be superscript. Save draft. Let's check the view preview, and this is the strike through, this is the subscript, and this is the superscript. But maybe you are confused. Subscript and superscript both looking as like similar. So what's the difference? Why we are calling one is subscript, another is superscript? Okay, let me show the difference. For example, I am making a sentence with subscript and superscript. This sentence, subscript and superscript. So this subscript word I will make subscript. This is subscript, and this superscript will be the superscript. Now you will see the difference very clearly. Okay, I am taking you on the preview. You see, subscript usually go below the sentence and superscript go above the sentence. That's the difference. So if I write both together, then easily you can understand what the difference. Perfect. Now I will show you how you can do the same thing in classic editor. For classic editor, I am going to open the same post in classic editor. Now I want to make this sentence strike through, but in Gutenberg blog editor there has a bar and option to make the strike through, subscript, superscript. Unfortunately in classic editor there has no such kind of option. So how we can do that? Just we have to write simple code, then it will be strike through, subscript and superscript. So firstly I am making the strike through, selecting this sentence, and top right corner there has a text option. So I want to click on that text. Perfect. So this is the sentence I want to make strike through. I am making it little bit zoom, then it would be easy for you to understand what I am doing here. So this sentence is strike through. I am going to make this sentence strike through. So for this, before p tag, I have to write s, and I have to give the closing s tag. That's simple. So I am going to save draft and preview the post. You see this sentence already strike through, and now I am going to make subscript, and I want to make this sentence subscript. So before p tag, just write sub, sub, and give the closing tag of sub. And for superscript, we have to write sup, soup, and have to give the closing superscript tag. And save draft, view, preview, refresh, and you see this sentence is superscript and below subscript. So if I want to make a single sentence, one subscript word and another superscript word, what should I do? Okay, again I am making zoom and see this is subscript and superscript. So before subscript, which word I want to make subscript? This word. So write sub and give closing sub. Done. And for superscript, sup and give closing sup. Perfect. Save draft and give a refresh, and you see this is subscript and superscript. So subscript always go below the text and superscript always go top of the text. So that's the way to make strike through, subscript and superscript in Gutenberg block editor and classic editor. So it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.